Let's calculate this expression. So we have a 32nd root of 259 times 23 times 11 plus 9. So that means, let's call it x. Let's call this x. That means x raised by 32. X raised by 32, x with the power 32 equals to this number. So let's write this way. So 259 multiplied by, well, let's multiply these two numbers. So it's easier, right? 23 times 11, that's 250. 23 times 20, 23, 23, 253. So times 253, then plus 9. Well, think about those two numbers, 259, 253, 259 minus 253 equal by 6. 6 divided by 2, that's 3. Okay. So we can write as a difference of two squares. We can write as 253, 256. 256 plus 3 and 256 minus 3, then plus 9, right? This still 259, this still 253. But by doing so, we get a difference of two squares. We get 256 squared minus 3 squared. Or minus 3 squared, that's minus 9. Minus 9 plus 9, that gives us 0. So we'll get 256 squared. And 256 is 2 raised by 8, right? So 256 is 2 raised by 8, then again raised by 2. So we can write this as 2 raised by 16. Now we have x raised by 32 equals to 2 raised by 16. So on both sides, we can raise by, because of the equation, we always can perform the same operation on both sides simultaneously. So this I will get x raised by 32 times 1 over 16, which will get 2. And this side will get 2, right? Because 32 times 1 over 16, that's 32 divided by 16, which is 2. And 16 times 1 over 16 multiplicative inverse equals 1, right? Because 16 divided by 1. So x squared equals 2. So normally when we solve, we square root, so we can square root both sides. Normally when we square root, we get positive and negative 2 values. But in this case, we see we have a square root of this number, so it cannot be negative square root 2. So that means the square 2. So that means this whole expression equals to, can be simplified to square root 2. Very nice, huh?